Yeah, that's right. It's TrackSignal, software for window film installers and tinting operations. No more 5 a.m. frantic phone calls of where is that solar film. No more sales team wondering if that security film will arrive in time for a big project. No more CRM having different numbers than your online inventory sheets or your email order form. With TrackSignal, the chaos is gone. No more looking for a film that everyone swears is there but no one can find, because TrackSignal connects your sales team's proposals to inventory team to warehouse to scheduling to installer view. With a few clicks, what used to take different software, different sheets, different systems is now a simple process to reserve. Installers no longer have to carry Sharpie pens because with one click they can scan. And for your most demanding general contractor RFP bidding process, you can show them real-time status of big projects. And TrackSignal also offers driving aspects for daily routes, so installers can look at what time they have to leave for the first install, no longer having to go through that daily what time do I leave process. TrackSignal connects everything, so all your data is always accurate. No more 4 people using 5 different software systems that all have mismatching data. Your CRM, your warehouse, your inventory, your route planning, everything's connected, everything's always accurate. It's TrackSignal, software for window film installers created by window film installers.